guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'll be doing some crochet wig. This is my dummy and this is my wig cap. This is my crochet pin and this is the hair I'll be using for this hairstyle. So I'll be wearing my wig cap on the dummy. Now I'm going to be parting the hair, removing some of the hair to crochet. So I will start by using the crochet pin to take a section of the hair and knotting it just like so, and I'll repeat the same process for everything. I'll be going line by line, and I'll be just like I'm making it in a person's hair. So I'll just be going line by line of the wig cap. When you do, they must comment it. So now I'm giving you a closer look on how you crochet. You take section of the hair, you put it in the wig cap, the nets, then you bring it in and you make a knot, as simple as that.
I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, where's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat, I know beat, life or nothing. Where's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat, I know beat, different things that happening.
So I'm passing the hair through the net and I'm making a knot and drawing it. I'm passing the hair through the net and I'm making a knot with it.
If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
So I'm giving you another closer look. I'm taking the crochet pin through the net and putting in the hair. I'm passing the crochet pin through the net and adding the hair and drawing it in just like so. So now I'm moving towards the sides of the hair. You could say that I've done the back side, so I'm moving towards the left side and I'm doing the same thing. Just follow along.
I have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear.
Now I'm at the right side and I'm doing the same thing I did on the left side. So now I'm moving towards the front side. I'm done with the back and I'm repeating the same process on it. I'm making sure I am crocheting it through where I want. So for instance, I want it by the side, so I'm crocheting it in that direction, and when I want it at the back, I crochet it in that direction.
Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
If you notice, unlike the back, the front of the hair, as I'm coming towards the front, I crochet the band. If you notice, the band of the hair, so that when you put it on, that side will not be showing. You see, I'm crocheting the band of the hair before moving forward. So I'm almost done with the hair. I'm at the front part, and I'm taking my time in doing the parts. I'm filling the spaces that are visible. So this is the front part. Start by crocheting the band of the hair, then going forward.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far.
And voila, I'm almost done with the hair. I'm just filling out the spaces. I can't wait to rock this beautiful hair. Please guys, if this video was helpful to you at any point, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe. So this is the finished look, and I'm feeling myself. I love how it's sitting pretty on my head. This is so beautiful and so voluminous. Oh my god, I'm so happy with the outcome. Please guys, like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.